you notice, the birds are putting in their beaks in the sand to eat. Yeah. And so when they punch their beaks into it, if there are small pieces of plastics and so on the beach, they could accidentally eat it. Yeah, accidentally. Look on the heading. Oh, look at they go into the yeah, look at this. Look at this. We're going to the drain now. See the birdies going, oh look, they're drinking the water out of the drain water. Hey, 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 hey. They're drinking the water out of the drain, yeah, you see it? Drinking water out of the drain, the thing. Drink water out of the drain. And they're going back now. Right, so when they just drank that nasty water, you just saw it. The bird just drank that nasty water, yeah. The birds just drank that nasty water, yeah. That nasty water, yeah. What you think will happen to them? They're gonna die.